Hi, welcome to another video. My name is Vince Moon. In this video, I'm going to share with you a request from a YouTuber who has pain on the shoulder and the neck and needs help in popping it. There's 3 steps to popping your shoulder. Step number 1 is to loosen up your shoulder area to shoulder muscles here along the neck and the neck muscle all loosen up. Do it to your pain threshold. Do not overdo it because you might hurt your muscles. That's step number 1. Number 2 is loosen up your neck. Turn to the left, turn to the right, loosen up the neck, left, right, and then you can combine both. Lift up your shoulder and then turn your neck, loosen up. Once your neck muscle and your shoulder muscle is loosened up, then you are ready to pop your neck. One very important thing is to drop your shoulder. Make sure your shoulders are dropped before you actually pop it. Some people will do it one way like this, and some people like to use the hand to do hand on the head and hand on the chin like this. So basically what you need to do is just turn one direction and then push it opposite direction like such. 1, 2, 3, and did you hear the crack? And then do the other way. 1, 2, 3, and crack. Got it? So it's 1, 2, 3, and push. 1, 2, 3, and push. Make sure your shoulders are dropped. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and I usually do it the easier way, like this. 1, 2, 3, and push. And 1, 2, 3, shoulder drop. 1, 2, 3, and push. Hear the pop? Thank you very much for watching. This is what I do to pop my neck, and hope it helps you too. If you like this video, please share with your friends and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. And don't forget to visit my blog at www.stressoutstressfree.com and sign up for the Stress Out Stress Free weekly newsletter concerning stress and health. And I see you in the next video.